Yunus ibn Matta was a messenger of Allah sent to Nineveh, a city in northern Iraq with a population of over 100,000. Prophet Yunus was seemingly an ordinary man who was born and raised amongst the fellow citizens of Nineveh. The booming city of Nineveh had long forgotten the message of Allah and became a city filled with idol worshipping and sin. Allah decided to send Prophet Yunus, a man born amongst them, as a messenger to guide them to his path, the path of light. Prophet Yunus immediately set out to fulfill his Lord's wish and invited his people to turn to Allah and shun idol worship. But the people of Nineveh rejected Yunus, just as many nations rejected the prophets and messengers before him. Yunus was not deterred. He continued to call them to the worship of Allah, reminding them of the terrible wrath of Allah that was directed at Ad, Thamud, and the people of Nuh. But they rejected this and said, "We and our forefathers have worshipped these gods for many years, and no harm has come to us." Prophet Yunus wanted to help them, and was persistent. He did not give up on his people. Despite their ignorance and harsh words, he continued to warn them of Allah's punishment. "Let it happen," the men laughed, and informed Yunus that they were not the least afraid of his empty threats. Prophet Yunus was disheartened. He gave up on his people. Without the permission of Allah, he decided to leave the city of Nineveh in hopes of finding a community far away that would accept him and enter the fold of Islam.